This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, confirm your watch supports Wi-Fi, LTE, or Bluetooth tethering with a phone. Check the watch model and installed watch OS or firmware version. Verify the physical screen size. Many watches use a 1.4 inches display, which affects browsing layout. Confirm Bluetooth range of about 10 meters for reliable tethering. Ensure your phone plan or carrier allows tethering or add an eSIM for standalone LTE access if needed. Update both watch and phone to the latest software before proceeding. Open settings on the watch, then tap connections or network to begin. Turn on Wi-Fi and scan for a 2.4 GHz network if available, then enter the password. If Wi-Fi is unavailable, pair the watch to your phone using Bluetooth and enable the phone's personal hotspot. For standalone access, install an eSIM or activate your watch plan through carrier settings and enable LTE. Remember to disable airplane mode and confirm cellular signal bars appear before testing browser or apps on the watch. Choose a lightweight browser optimized for watches, then use reader mode to simplify pages and reduce data. Avoid streaming video and large downloads because browsing can drain around 5% to 10% battery per hour. Use Voice Assistant to open short URLs and dictate searches for faster navigation. Disable background, app refresh, and push notifications for apps you do not need online constantly. When finished, close browser tabs, turn off Wi-Fi or LTE, and enable Battery Saver to extend daily watch life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.